What's up, y'all? Happy Easter. Well, by the time y'all see this, it's gonna be Easter. I'm about to do this a little early because I do work tomorrow. But my dogs, I'm about to get him an Easter egg hunt. Gunner, he's 3 years old. He has had an Easter egg hunt before, but Draco, this will be his first one. So I'm gonna have the Easter egg. I only got 12 because, yeah, I only got 12. So let me try to find somewhere to pop y'all up real quick. I'm sorry, it's always fine. I'll put this on the side. I'll put this on the east. I wonder how much I'll put on the east. There. Don't always have to be so easy. Each best eggs. Keep them over. Okay, so now I'm gonna call the kitties out. I don't know where I'm probably I'll probably just hold the camera, so hold on, let me call them. Go find them. Come on, Jake. Come on, Draco, get you one. Find one, come on. Look at them. Draco. Draco. Draco the baby, he don't know no better. Draco. Look, Draco. I said Draco. That's Gunner. Look, Draco. Here, Draco. You got it? Want me to open it for you? Okay. Gunner, don't find all of them. I gotta help Draco out. He don't know no better. Got it? Good boy. Gunner, ain't no more in there. Don't take his. Keep looking. Good boy. Here, Draco. Gunner, you didn't look what you're doing. See, that's why I don't do this with Gunner. Here, Drake. Good boy. Gonna eat them all? I think you got them all. Did you? I think I might get them a part 2, y'all. I gotta see if they took all the eggs. Oh no, one more. Look, Gunner. Good boy. See, you need to slow down. Ain't no more. Come on. I think I'm gonna get them around 2 though because Gunner took majority of them all. So this is, sit down. Come here. This is Draco. He's 3 months. Gunner, come here. Come here, Gunner. I'm gonna show y'all Gunner. He trying to get the egg from under the couch. Come here, Gunner. Sit down. Come sit down. Ain't no more. He's so worried about these trees, y'all. That's Draco, the black one. 3 months. And this is my Gunner one. Okay, y'all, so I think I'm probably gonna do a part 2, but not a part 2, but a second part of the Easter egg hunt. But they kind of cracked the eggs all up. What's up, Drakey? Yeah, this is all they do, actually. Where they at? They over there. Yeah, I don't know. I mean, I got more fruits, but Bonnet Bubby exclusive, period. Come here, Gunna. Don't kiss me now. These are my pitties. Y'all didn't crack the eggs, so I can't even reuse them. Look at these eggs. Stop it. Look at these eggs. Look at them eggs. Y'all didn't crack them down. They don't care. They just happy. Gunna will crack the eggs to the last of it. But yeah, I'm going to fill the ones that they didn't crack. Yeah, I'm going to fill the ones that they didn't crack. I'm just going to prop y'all up so y'all can see. This is what they do. This is why I have to sweep my floor like 100 times a day. Give me that. I got to sweep my floor 100 times a day because they just be overdoing it for real. Stop, Draco. I got to refill it. Gotta stop eating that. Come on now. Eating the plastic. I'm gonna have to sweep the floor after this again. Hey, y'all better chill. So, I'm gonna collect the ones that's like this. And I'm gonna fill them back up. And then we're gonna do it again. See y'all. Even though I'm gonna leave the other shit on the floor for now until I sweep, but yeah, I'm gonna scramble up the ones that's still good. Look at him, a vulture. Are you a vulture? Are you a little baby vulture? A little baby big bag? Yes, you a little baby big bag. Give me that. I'm gonna refill it. Y'all better not tear my living room. You a little baby big bag. Okay, so while they're occupied with that, I'll be back, y'all. I'm gonna refill it back up. But while we in the middle of this, I forgot to do this in the beginning because they were so thirsty to do it. But this is Little Black Entrepreneur episode 10 or 11, can't remember. Let me show y'all what my dog keep messing up, and then I'm gonna be right back, y'all. He keep knocking my plate on the floor. Did you break it? No. Shop B exclusive. Mom, best mom ever, because I'm a dog mom. But I'm selling those for Mother's Day. And let me show y'all my bonnets. Clock that. We got a sunflower bonnet. They're $15. We got a sunflower bonnet. First off, look at this man sitting at my table. Who do he think he is? Ignore my craft area. That's where I put all my stuff at. But I didn't, you know. I didn't declutter right. Get off my table. Get down. Get down. Or I'll whoop your ass. That's my sewing machine back there. He think I'm gonna do the eggs right here because you see the eggs sitting up here. Boy, no. Boy, no. Okay, anyways. Let me get into that promo. First off, flowers by me. Bonnet by me too. Yeah. Yeah, I ate that. But let me get back into my promo. Sunflower bonnet. It's nice and thick. And it's reversible. Put black on the side if you want to. But it also comes with a drawstring. Okay. Then we got Cherry Bomb. Reversible red. Drawstring down the side. Then we have a cherry one. Pink on the reverse side. But this one doesn't have a drawstring. It just has an elastic in it. This was my very first bonnet that I made. Well, this is my second one actually. My first one is actually on my little mannequin. That's my first one that I had made. Yeah. So yeah. And then this one that I have on is Hello Kitty. Let me do a 360. And then it's white on the reverse side. Period. Let me put these back. I also made this sunflower wreath. Perfect for spring. $50. What else? Hold on. My favorite flower is sunflower and rose, so I made this. Because you know when you go to the store, let me show you the other one. Hold on. You know how you go to the store and they only have like the ones that's made like this, even though I made this one too. I made this one too. But you know how they only have the stuff like this? Get off my table! You know how they only have the ones like this? I was like, I never seen a sunflower one. So I made a sunflower one. These are both by me, $15. And I also made this nameplate. Be Exclusive, that's the brand. I'm trying to see what's gonna be my thumbnail. Yeah, Real Crafts been out here. Let me show y'all what else I made since I'm showing y'all everything. Hold on. I made this for my mom. This is a rose pen. Came and lose my dog chewed on it, but this is a rose pen. When I first started making rose pens, it looked better than this before you chewed on it. But yeah, I made this for my mommy. R.I.P. my mommy. Look at her. She's so cute. Look at that. Look at that lady. That's my mommy. Twins. But yeah, I made her a little face thingy. And then, oops. Then I made this little, little rose mug. I didn't glue it down because it was my personal one, so yeah, I just had it stuck in there. But yep. But let me go refill these eggs real quick, and then you know we're gonna get back into Easter egg hunt part 2. Okay, I'm back. I was gonna hide them, but look at this. You can't even put them back together. Oh, this one I can. Okay, this is live. This one won't snap back together. Get away from me, Ghana, until I put them down. Draco don't care. He just wanted to chew on the egg, honestly. Okay, the ones that's put together, I'm gonna leave them for Ghana. And the ones that's not put together, I'm gonna leave it for Draco, because he can't bust it up anyways. So, let's do that. Let me tell y'all. Ignore the eggs, it's already on the floor, because I did not sweep them up yet. Fuck it, here Ghana. Stay. Don't do it till I tell you. Stay. Stay. Ah! Draco just a baby. He don't know what stay means. Draco, these yours. Look, Draco. Okay, Ghana, you guess you can have that one. Look, Drake. Oh, I just busted open the carpet. Look. Look. Oh, you let Ghana get it. Ghana is a big bag, y'all. No more. But by the time y'all probably see this, I'm posted on Easter probably. Did I put mine back there? No, I didn't. They all are both busted open. I'll sweep my floor probably tomorrow. Maybe I'll do it later. Draco, come back in here. That's gonna. Baby big bag. I don't have nothing else. See, Draco just happy with the egg, honestly. Draco. Draco's still new to the come here and all that. Gunna, he 3. He know better. Draco. Come give mommy some love. Gunna just want the egg too. Okay. Okay, well, I guess I'll end it off here. This is Little Black Entrepreneur from Chicago, episode 9 or 10. Don't remember. I think it's 10 though. So, thought I heard somebody pissing. But, so, I'm gonna see y'all when I see y'all. Happy Easter. And that's all I gotta say. Make sure y'all be you, be happy, and most importantly, be exclusive. Can I show y'all my business card? Hold on. My friend got me this for my birthday. Christina. Say be exclusive. So cute. But yeah, business cards designed by me. Yeah. This is the bag. But yeah, make sure y'all be you, be happy, and most importantly, be exclusive. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe down below so you can see the next time that I post. And I will see y'all on the next one. Happy Easter. Let me get my kids to say Happy Easter. Hold on. Sit down. Sit. Not you. Move. Gotta come sit down. Oh my God, they just care about these eggs. Say Happy Easter. Okay. Say Happy Easter, Drakey. Get your leg on my camera. Stop trying to. Come here. Draco. They just care about the eggs. Whatever. Let me try to get them. You want to bite my thing off my camera. Come here, Draco. Whatever. Y'all got slob on my camera. Whatever. Say Happy Easter. Yeah. He doesn't care. So, Happy Easter. Hope y'all have a great Easter. And like I said, like, comment, subscribe down below so you can see the next time that I post. And make sure you be you, be happy, and most importantly, be exclusive. And, try to be exclusive for the mountains. Okay? See y'all on the next one.